Okay, guys, 2 days ago, we actually analyzed this particular asset called PainX 999. And of course, it took about 2 days for us to achieve all the TPs. Okay, so that's so amazing. We are happy that we are able to achieve this together. So I will be analyzing this asset together and I mean, this will help you to know how I came up with my signals and of course how the it performed, okay, so that we will understand how to go about it whenever we want to do it on our own. Okay, so before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question at all, please drop your question down there in the comment section, and you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so like I have always been telling you, it is always important to know three things in order for you to achieve your trading activities. Okay, and of course the first one is to understand the trend of the asset. If you can easily identify the trend of the asset, then definitely you are most likely to win your trading activities. Okay? And of course the second is for you to be able to identify if it is resistance zone. Third thing is for you to identify if it is coming from the support zone. Okay, whichever one that is happening, it will help you to understand or to know the direction of the asset or when to go into the market. Now let's quickly look at this. This is 15 minutes time frame. I love using 15-minute time frame because it gives us the opportunity to milk the market for a very long time. Okay, now let's go straight into it. This was on downtrend. I remember when we actually milked this particular asset on downtrend for a very long time. And of course, we got the sell signal there, and we also got the trend signal from there. Okay, this is it. It all started from here. Okay, we got the trend signal and we got the sell signal, but I had to wait for it to break out from this from this trend line before I gave out the signal then. And check it out, we actually made a lot of profits during that period, during the downtrend period. Okay, so ever since I've been waiting for it to go into an uptrend, but 2 days ago, we got the signal for an uptrend right from here. And of course, I had to wait for it to break out above this particular resistance region before I give out the signal, because this had been on a very strong downtrend right from the beginning. So immediately it broke out from there. So that is why I gave out this particular signal. You can see it right here. This is the entry point. You can see it's a bit above this, and of course I gave out this stop loss at this point. Okay, so this actually went right from there, and of course it's got to the first TP successfully. Remember, this is 15 minutes time frame, so it's a lot within this period. Okay, and also it got to the second TP successfully. The third TP, after getting to the third TP, it came back down again and went back up to break out above that. It is an uptrend. Because it is an uptrend does not mean it will not be having pullback in between. Okay, so and of course right after that it achieved the fourth TP. You can see the fourth TP is too much, guys. It achieved the fourth TP and now the fifth TP. Okay, this is so amazing. So all the 5 TPs have been achieved, and I'm really happy about this. Okay, this is how easy it is. I remember very well when I gave out the signal after getting to the first TP right here, it had a major pullback, and someone dropped a message for me within the Telegram channel. Within the YouTube channel under that video which I used to analyze the assets. Okay, someone dropped a message for me right there, and the person said, this is actually going down, and of course, am I sure if it's going to go back up again? And the good thing about it is that it didn't get to the stop loss before getting up back, and of course, I replied the person that it didn't get to the stop loss, that it's going to pull back if it didn't hit the stop loss. Okay, so that is why I always tell you, apart from the fact that you are able to understand the direction of the market, you should always have a good, reasonable risk management system on. The reason is you also need to protect your capital, okay? And you don't have the full control of the market, okay? So you can imagine this actually came down. If it had gotten to the stop loss, check it out. It still went in the direction. That does not mean it will not go into the direction. But market can be funny sometimes, okay? But thank God it didn't get to the stop loss and it went back into profit and even achieved the fourth and the fifth TPs. That's so amazing, guys. That's so amazing. Remember, guys, this is the sixth day of winning back to back within the Telegram channel. I'm really happy about this. This is the sixth day of winning back to back within the Telegram channel. Okay. The funniest thing is that if I don't come out to do a video like this, people will not share the positive news. I don't know who they are hiding that from. Okay. About if it goes wrong once, you see them asking, I mean, coming to the comment section to complain that the signal was wrong. Okay, now that it has been going on for like 6 days now, winning back to back within this channel, no one is saying something positive about this. Okay, but all the way, oh, I'm really happy about this that we are able to achieve this together. Okay, it is my own happiness to see you guys having a beautiful trading activities like this. Okay, so this is the sixth day of winning again, and of course, congratulations to you all who have actually picked this trade. Okay, so a quick recap on what we have done today. Okay, so like I said, there are three major things you need to look out for. The first one is the trend, which is the most important of all. Second is the support. I mean, where the trend is coming from. Is it coming from the support zone or the resistance zone? This will help you to know when to go into the market and how you can set up your trading activities. So, in other words, you need to know how to identify all these things. If you don't know how to identify them, you can get trading tools that can help you to achieve these. Okay, if you don't have any trading tools, here is one 3M Trend Maker trading indicator. It is a custom made indicator that gives you the direction on what is happening within the market. Okay, this will help you to understand what you should do with the market. Okay, so you can also reach out to me if you want to know more about this trading tool. Okay, my contact is there on the screen and also in the comment section. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.